I made $97,000 from one single YouTube video. And I know what you're thinking, that sounds crazy, that doesn't make any sense. I'm not Mr. Beast, how is that possible? Well, I do something called YouTube automation or faceless videos. It's kind of like Watch Mojo. I'm sure everybody here has watched one of their videos. So it's like that, but my main focus in my content is to create celebrity news YouTube videos. And I know what you're saying, I don't care about celebrities, I don't want to do that, this video is not for me. Well, me neither. I don't care about celebrities at all. In fact, I don't remember the last time I actually watched one of my own YouTube videos. And that's because everything was outsourced to freelancers. Nowadays, you guys have AI, but when I first posted this video, I had to go through Fiverr, Upwork, find the correct freelancers to do it. So you're pretty lucky. So if you're sitting there and you're saying, I don't want to make videos about celebrities, what I hear is you don't like money. I've been doing this since 2018. Yeah. Do I look like I care about Kim Kardashian? But boy, it pays really, really good. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how that looks on your YouTube analytics. I'm gonna show you guys how much money I made, how fast the money came in. So this is the video. I uploaded this on February 1st, 2021. So it was uploaded this day, but it wasn't scheduled until February 2nd. It got 16,000 on February 2nd, 79,000 on February 3rd, about February 9th to the 10th. It spiked at 100,000 views plus every single day. And then occasionally, little by little, it started dying, spiked up again, died, and then completely died. And then started spiking up again. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like money-wise. So February 1st, of course, 0. It was unlisted, but it was public the next day. $87. I just posted a random YouTube video and it made $87. And then $494 the next day. At that point, with me hiring freelancers, I already made my money back. And then this little spike here, February 10th, I was already, 8 days? 8 days since I uploaded this video, it was already making $1,000 a day. But here's something better. 1,500, 1,600 on the 13th, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. It was making $1,000 for a few days, dropped down to the low, 800s, went back up to 1,000, and then started falling, making a few hundred a day, stayed at 300, 400 for a bit, and then started making about $100 a day, went up again, blah, blah, blah. So this is what the worst looked like for this video. After a few months, $20, $30 per day. So that was $62,472 with 95 cents the first year. And just to confirm, that was 9.1 million views the first year that this video was uploaded. In watch time, I got 667,000 hours, which by the way, you only need 4,000 hours to get monetized. Subscribers, this video gained me 19,000 subscribers in 1 year, okay? So that was 2021. I know what you're thinking, okay, well, what about 2022 and 2023, 2024? I'm gonna get there. So for 2022, this video got another 9 million views, and that paid me $34,818. And I know what you're thinking, if the previous year was literally 100,000 views less, why did I get paid so little? Well, there's something called RPM. RPM is what you get paid per 1,000 views. Okay, so my RPM was different in 2021 than it was in 2022. And I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So again, for 9 million views, I got 612 hours of watch time, 10,000 subscribers. So I got more subscribers than last year, and I made $34,818. Now, looking at it views wise, it was just kind of chilling the whole time. And then randomly here, it spiked to 1.2 million views in 1 day. The next day, 797,000 views, and then 434. And then after that, it obviously had the little weird spikes here, and then it fully died. So how much money did I make if the spike is in just a few days? Well, let me show you that right now. So previous to this, it was still making 10, it seems like the average was $15, $20, and then randomly, 175 on April 19th, 2022, 263 on the 20th, $711 on April 21st, April 22nd, 1,453, and then April 23rd, $2,609. And then I believe this is the peak right here, $3,925 on April 24th of 2022. Keep in mind, this video has been uploaded for more than a year at this point. So for it to randomly just make $3,900 in one single day, not even that, a few $1,000s the previous days, and then I honestly don't even know how much I made after this. So 2,700 on the 25th, 140 on the 26th, went back up 1,700 on the 27th, and then a few 900, 500. So in 3 months, essentially this video that I uploaded 1 year ago made me $34,818. And it all happened within these 2-3 months. Especially right here in April. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but it seems like everybody was very, very interested in this video 1 year later. So I was making about cents a day. I mean, the peak was probably like $1 and something. And then in 2024 so far, for some reason, this video is at 98,000 and it has made me almost the same amount of revenue as it did in 2023. So maybe this video is gonna have another what is it, third wave, third lung, third life, whatever. So yeah, you got to think about it. If you do YouTube automation full time, you can get a video just like this. So in the last 3 years, I could have just lived off of this video if I wanted to. I mean, what job gives you $62,000 in ad revenue without doing anything? And think about it, this is not even counting how much money the other videos were bringing, right? Because wasn't my only upload. I was doubling, tripling down, posting daily, sometimes even 2 times a day. So there was more money coming in. This is just one video. This is my best performing video. And that's what the analytics look like. But for something I did when I was 21 years old and for it to bring so much money throughout the years, it's a pretty good investment. So I know what you're thinking. How much did that video cost me? How much did it? I mean, it must have cost me a lot of money if it got so many views. I only paid $60. I paid a scriptwriter, a voice commentator, and a video editor. And I got these guys on a website called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is, there's a lot of freelancers on there that will do anything that you need. Like literally anything that you need that can be done virtually, they're going to do it for you. So I spent $60 on one YouTube video, and this is in total, that got 18.2 million views, 1.3 million hours of watch time, 29,400 subscribers, and $97,795.77 of ad revenue. I mean, talk about return on investment. And I know what you're thinking, that doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna show you my third most viewed video, okay? So my third highest viewed video got 6.8 million views, 430,000 hours of watch time, 8.4K subscribers, and that made me $34,000 in ad revenue, and that's only for 6 million views. Now I'm not gonna go ahead and break down how much this video made me within the years, but you can see how possible it is and how easy it is to kind of replicate this as long as you invest, you understand what you're doing, and you follow the correct steps. So if you want to learn how to do this, on my last upload you can see how exactly this process works. I'm not gonna do all of it again because then this video is gonna be like 30 minutes long, so go ahead and watch that if you're actually interested. But this is how much money I made. This is, I have other channels which were very similar. Actually, give me 1 second. This video that I posted on November 17th 2020, it got 9.8 million views, and that made me $69,000 in ad revenue. In 2024, so far, what is it, 3 months, because we're in March, it's made me $587. And in 2023, this video made me $9,545. So a video I posted when I was 19 years old is still making me $9,000 per year. I think YouTube automation is kind of like a virtual real estate. So with $60, $70, you can do exactly this. And that's because entertainment is king. I think entertainment is king. It's the oldest business model. It's the oldest profession. That's just the entertainment business. And we do it with this approach of it being faceless, outsourced. I mean, essentially like every other network out there, but we do it on YouTube. So again, if you do want to see how this works, you can click here, or you can go to my last upload. I show the entire process. And the reason I'm showing you guys this is because if you're genuinely searching for this type of content, you genuinely want to learn. I know there's a lot of bullshit out there on YouTube. I want to get you straight to the point. So if I have to bring you in this way, that's fine by me, as long as you watch the other videos where I actually show you the step-by-step on how to do it. This is just kind of a quick showing you guys my resume a little bit. Like, this channel has made me $223,000 since I started it. My other channel has made me $796,000 in ad revenue, with 182 million views, and it only has 315,000 subscribers. Again, this is the fourth video I post on this channel. I'm going to be giving out all of the sauce for free. Again, I just made this video in order to show you guys what my background is, what my history is, how much money I've made, and how proven my concept is. If you want to see how to do this yourself right now, you can click the last video, or you can follow me on Instagram. I give a lot of free sauce on there. But most importantly, like and subscribe, guys, because I'm going to be giving out all of the sauce for free. I feel like this video was very necessary before I start daily uploading and really going into depth, just so you guys know what I do and how much money I make, and just so you guys know I'm legit. So yeah, thanks for watching.